woolen mittens,
brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Green-colored ponies and pistache strudels, strudels and sleigh bells and schnitzels and schnoozles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things.
Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes,
Snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into spring. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dawn lights, when the bee sings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Pull out the holly, put up the tree before my spirit calls again. Fill up the stockings, I may be rushing things, but deck the halls again now. For we need a little Christmas right this very minute. Candles in the window, carols at the spinet, yes we need